We are track record.
We are never finished.
Driving isn't just a form of transportation. It can also be so much more than that. It's freedom. Letting everything else go. It's an expression of what you are passionate about. A little while ago, we traveled to San Diego.
We're going on a road trip, Jordan.
But it was more than just a road trip. It was an opportunity to create. To create new friendships, memories, and a story. One that inspires those around us. We learned that maybe everything not going how we planned
We can't do it anymore. It just completely fell through.
isn't always a bad thing.
Last minute, somebody pulled through and we got an even better car. What?
It's such a cliche if you think about it, but it's so true, right? Driving is the act of being in control, having influence on something. And we are driven by what we are passionate about. That is our driving force. Through our passion, cars, creating, and inspiring others through what we create, we are always driven, and that will never change.